be playing Bird Horror. I was recording a video and my mic wasn't turned on. Yeah, that's kind of sad, but this game is pretty fun. Please, no. Okay, let's go.
Oh my god! No, get away! Yo, Jimmy, it's on you! Oh, no. Hey, Gorilla, change your name! Change your name! Don't change your name! You're gonna keep your name!
Pause to read.
This game is change your name, bro! This game is
still
chasing
chasing him.
Shit, bro. On my knees.
And just like slow down the video if you can.
Let's get the free ass!
Do this quickly because like
On my cock, bro.
Guys, go to indoors! Indoors!
No, don't change your name.
you just pause the video.
Yeah, don't change your name, bro. Guys, bro, why would you change your name? Come to indoors. Bro, you're gonna get banned. Bro, you're gonna get banned in 20 minutes. You're gonna get banned in 20 minutes.
I swear I saw something like that.
Yeah,
Yeah, but pause to read all this, cause like, if you want to know what it's about.
Oh my god!
There is a cosmetic of that.
There were no free hats. There were no
Yes,
free
there were, but there were free hats. There were free hats in there.
Oh my god! Oh, rest in peace to everyone in there. Wait, can we go to main? Can we go to main? Wait, no, we should go to
Yeah, caveman.
Area 51, Area 51.
We're gonna go to
Area 51.
Area 51.
Do not get the monster on the right or the left. Or not the man, I want to get
guys,
I'm giving up. Get the monster. Let's go to the left. Let's go to the left.
We gotta go left. Come on, left over here.
No! Oh, you gotta go to the left. GG, what the hell? You pissed me off, bro.
I thought this was
You fucking pissed me off. We told you to go to the
I love
left,
this
bro.
game personally.
Bro, Jimmy Ranch, bro, you're not funny, bro.
It's low-key underrated.
Bro, Jimmy Ranch,
Because I like 12 people.
everyone say Ellie.
Another underrated game is Cola
Jimmy
Monkey.
Ranch.
K-O-L-A.
Jimmy Ranch, bro. Why would you say the N-word, bro?
Why is this thing
I didn't say the N-word. That was Baja Blast.
Blowjob blast.
Baja Blast.
Look at my account. It's literally Baja Blast.
Yeah, the game is really fun.
Let's go to Caveman. Let's go to Caveman.
Oh, bye.
Check my.
What the? Oh my gosh.
Guys,
For some reason, Cloud is now the freak. Cloud's Trinity is now the weird person instead of Prim.
Yeah, Prim's fucking weird.
Prim's just fucking
Look at Cloud Trinity do. Guys, who's worse?
Trinity are getting exposed.
Go Prim. Guys, I have you.
They're all terrible people.
Prim takes back. So.
Yeah.
What a Prim. Guys, everyone can agree with me on this. Prim's take at the game is good, but the owner's shit. The owner's just fun.
What did the owner do?
I have the ultimate theory. I have the ultimate theory. What?
Don't go into PJ shit, you're also killing
coming
yourself.
soon. The owner
Let's go to coming soon. Let's go to coming
Yeah, come on,
soon.
go to coming soon.
coming soon.
Alright, coming soon.
Yo, this map is so cool. Yo, this map is so cool, bro. Yo, guys. Make map ideas.
Well, I didn't hear anything.
Map ideas. No, I swear it was
Or
coming.
just like
Guys, meet up right now. Meet up right here.
Yeah,
Guys, oh yeah. Let's go to this
I'll
map,
show you
bro. This
the-
map is peak, bro. This map is peak. Guys, I say they put it right over here. This is the best map, bro.
It didn't break, it's just a
Guys,
kind of
come here. The owner of this game. The owner of this game. Guys, we're gonna get every single monster.
Oh, why don't you have enough content? I tried to do a voiceover
Keep saying what you love, okay? Guys.
Yo, keep saying what you love, everybody saying, guys,
Go over here, go into there.
No, let's go to canyons. Let's go to canyons and do that. Let's go to canyons and do that.
We'll get. Jimmy, you idiot.
I want Cyrus!
I hear whispering.
Okay, everybody, no. Everybody say what you love, everybody jump. I love
on the count of 3.
Where are you going?
We are.
I love
There's nothing coming.
Yo, I'm trying. That never happened.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I'm just
Alright, guys.
together we're
Everybody
bro.
in. What map is everybody?
We get close together, guys. We get close together.
No, he's coming.
We're gonna get him on. Is he coming? He's not even coming. He's not even coming. That's the funny thing.
Boy girls. Map change, guys. This map kind of sucks, guys.
Map change. City, let's go to city. Come on, city.
Yeah, city. Let's go to city. City boy.
Wait, hold on. He's camping.
Is that a gubby? Is that a gubby? Is that a gubby?
Go. He's not coming, bro. He's
Sick
not
also.
coming. Just save with Liberty Neutral.
Is that a gubby? Is that a gubby?
Yeah, go in that corner right there.
Bro,
Trust,
it's
bro.
not a gubby, bro.
Yeah, come on, bro. Go with that corner.
Wait, gubby.
You got that right. You got that. You got that.
Nope. I'm not.
Gubby,
Someone got me the presents.
Wait,
What's the presents?
Yeah, go to the presents. That's where you get the princess
Bro,
at.
Blueberry gave y'all presents, guys. Go open it.
Yeah, go to the presents, bro. Trust.
Yeah.
But the city gooners gave me presents. He said the N-word. He said the N-word.
We gotta go with the
Favorite? No, bro. He said the N-word, bro. Are you Lukey? Are you Lukey, bro? No, you said it in area. Guys, have I got a leaky bum? Have I got a leaky bum? Oh my god. I'm not
I think they were talking about the presents. Should I go to the presents? Yo, raise your hand if I should go to the presents.
Come on, let's go.
Raise your hand if I should go to the presents.
Yeah, y'all got that. Y'all got that. Y'all got that.
I got that! Oh, hell no.
Yeah, it's Santa
I'm
Claus.
scared, bro.
It's
Get a little
Don't you want to see
Bro. What is this game? I'm gonna end the recording here. Hope you guys like the video or something. I don't know. Like and subscribe if you don't have to. Or wait, what? You don't have to. But yeah. Trust me. This game is pretty good. I'll do a quick tutorial on how to get it at the end right now. Go to browser. Search up Bird Horror VR. Go to this page. Now, if it like kicks you out of the game, like it just goes a black screen and it kicks you out, download the new versions. But yeah, this game is pretty fun. Like Maze, I haven't explored that yet. I'll make more videos on this, but yeah. Oh yeah, and then you have to like go to Files. And you have to go like here, Open With, and then Package Installer. But yeah, just go play if you want to. These were the videos that sadly got like cooked. See, there's like no mic. That was all the calls to or
He's so cute!
but it was cool. Yeah, I don't know.